Hey Mary, can I borrow your boat? What? Boat? Can you tell me again? Yes, can I borrow your boat? Oh, I don't own a boat. A boat in the river. No, I'm not rich. Oh, no, this one. I mean this one. It's a boat. Oh, actually, it's not a boat. It's a book. It's a book. Bye-bye, I'm gonna go to the class early. Why is so early? I have to clean the whiteboard before my teacher comes. Whiteboard? You guys have whiteboards in your class? Yes, we do. Wow, for what? You guys sometimes take a boat ride? Oh no, I mean this one that the teacher used to write the sentences. It's called whiteboard. Oh, actually we pronounce whiteboard. Whiteboard is not a whiteboard.